Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're with the tank from the 1970 whatever Suzuki GT250, and we're going to clean it out. Okay, let's take a look inside here. It's just a little, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, I think a good pressure washing, I think it'll clean out really good. It doesn't look awful, like I said. Let's go ahead and pull this petcock off right down there and then get at rinsing it out. Okay, let's go ahead and get these off. This tank still has a little bit of stuff in it, so I want to make sure I'm not dumping it out all over the place. So we'll just be careful as we carry it out. Won't be careful taking it off, but it looks like it's got some funk in there, so let's go take it outside. Okay, I like to take and put a good bit of this Dawn dishwashing liquid in, and then I'm gonna use the pressure washer. And then I'm just using the pressure washer and just sticking it right inside. Let's see if we can shake it up a bit. I like to clean it really good before I put anything in to remove the rust. Just, I think it makes it work a little bit better. It's not fighting the old gas or whatever else in there, so. And try to get the loose stuff out from the beginning. Okay, let me shake it real good. Again, I just filled it up. Just trying to get the loose stuff and make sure it's good and clean. Let's see what it looks like coming out. Oh, no, it doesn't look too bad. I'm not seeing big rust flakes or anything like that coming out. That's not. It is better inside for sure. Okay, so I sprayed some of this rust dissolver in it about 20 minutes ago, just where I could see it, and then put a little bit of water so it's kind of diluted down at the bottom, because this tank is not that bad. Just has some rusty spots. And look at it now. Let's see if I can get you in there. Yeah, we're starting to look better. Starting to look better. I'm gonna put some more water in it and just let that sit for a bit, and then we'll shake it out. I'm gonna run the pressure washer through it again, see if I can loosen that up. We'll go at it again. Okay, my little battery operated pressure washer just crapped the bed on me. I'll figure it out. I just want to put a little bit of water in here, shake it around a bit, let it keep cooking. Yeah, got that really clean. Not too much, just enough. Put it on here, and then I'm gonna let that soak down there. Yeah, let that cook. Yeah, they're really trying to get all the loose stuff off, which looks like we're doing, so I'm gonna put a little bit more water in it. Just fill it up and let it sit. It has enough of that stuff in it that'll kind of work. This tank doesn't need a lot of help. Just enough. Okay, yeah, you can see it bubbling up. Okay, let's let this guy cook. Get back to you in a few minutes. Go. Okay guys, as far as tank cleaning goes, personally what I like to do is the prettier the outside of the tank, the least aggressive I go on the inside, because I don't want to do anything that's going to damage the outside of the tank. That's just the kind of the rule of thumb that I use. I'm not saying it's right, it's what I think about. I don't want to damage the outside of the tank because this paint is really, really good. So I'd rather slow and steady wins the race, so to speak, on this. So we'll let it soak. In that is, it's like Osfo. So I put a little bit more Osfo in it. It's got maybe a cup, 2 cups of Osfo in it, and then the rest filled up with water. So it'll do its work. It's just going to do it really slow, and I'm okay with that. I don't want it to, like I said, damage the outside of the tank. So let's let this cook for a while, and I'll get back to you in a few minutes. The good thing about this tank, when we cleaned it out, we didn't have big chunks coming out, so there's not a lot of loose stuff in it. We pressure washed all over inside to try to loosen up all that stuff. So I'm okay with letting this cook and then rinsing it and running it just like that. As long as there's no big chunks that are going to come off, we're good. And so if we keep that in mind, you don't have to go too crazy. So we're going to let this thing cook for a little bit longer. Okay, this guy just decided to stop working. So we got out the big dog. So let's finish this sucker up. Let me clean out this outside. I had sprayed some rust dissolver on the cap, so let's just get that off. And then let's see what it looks like inside. Yeah, it still looks clean. You know, you hope to see some rusty, dirty water, but we're not seeing any of that, which I'm okay with. Maybe we'll get some as we get down to the bottom, but no. This is everything. It's got a little, it's not completely clear. So let's see if we can pressure wash in there. Get it out really good. Squirt some soap in there. Yeah, it's looking good. Just getting all the bad fuel out of it's making a difference. Let me go to a smaller nozzle. This one doesn't quite fit in there, so let's go to here. Let's dump that out, see what it looks like. Just some white soapy water. I'm gonna pull this petcock off just so we can rinse it really, really good. Let me just stick this hose in it and let it just flush itself out. Let's go ahead and pull this petcock off. And then we can flush it from the inside. This tank looks, I mean, this tank wasn't bad to start with. I do need to clean that petcock, but it wasn't awful. I'm not getting any chunks or anything like that out of it, which is good. That's a good sign. Yeah, it's good to go. Let's stick this guy in there and let it just eat. Put this block under here. That way it just has to get maybe a little bit more water in it before it fills up. We'll let it rinse out. Yeah, we just got it flushing out, top and the bottom. Just make sure it's rinsed really, really good. And then we'll dry it. Okay, so we have it all rinsed out. And now this is my drying setup. This little Oric XL set on blow right into the tank. It comes out the bottom. And we'll let it just sit there for about a half hour or so, and it'll dry it out. Okay, so here we are, all dried up. Let me get this light so you can see what it looks like in there. So let me get you in there, see if I can get this light. There you go. All good. That's good. Nice rinse. Ready to go. So guys, I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And remember, a video every single day in May, 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. Go ahead, tap in, tune in, share, and I'll see you tomorrow.